Smoothie King is often praised for its extensive menu offering nutritious and customizable smoothies. Many fans on Yelp commend its focus on health-conscious options including protein-packed blends and meal replacement shakes. Customers appreciate its variety of flavors catering to different dietary goals, such as fitness enhancement and weight management. Popular smoothies like the Angel Food and the Hulk frequently receive positive mentions for taste and portion size. However, reviews from Reddit reveal a more mixed perspective. Some users warn that while certain smoothies are genuinely healthy, others can be high in sugar and calories, contradicting its health-focused image. An insider on Reddit who works at the Smoothie King advises checking nutrition labels closely, as additives like sugar-laden enhancers can sneak into blends. Overall, Smoothie King can be a great choice if customers make informed selections based on their nutrition goals.